what I'm saying. You got to get that whole thing.
You gotta get from down there.
All the way from the front, all the way to the front. And run that shit right through.
That shit gonna be problems, cause you know how? Them ones that come around here gonna need your wheels.
I know you like. You're right in front of that guy.
We go up, Esther.
See there, that one number 4. That one number 4.
I thought you were gonna change all of them.
No, that's one. This the piece there. This. It broke.
That rusty ass shit.
It rusty, that's why it broke. Supposed to go like this.
So yeah, I know.
Yeah, put the back against one anyway. Yeah, we'll put the back up on it. Just gonna change.
It's gonna be harder for change.
It's not gonna be harder. All you gotta do is get the line and run it back, run it under the car. You gotta take it up to one side and I'll hook the thing right here.
No, I thought, well, for what's the name?
What?
Put the gas pan up there and do it.
You're not gonna have it, because gas pan out there, that's a dog. This other boat right there, so all you have to do is drop on one side. And then, okay, well, still wanna leave it in there, so you don't have to worry about that. How the fuck that shit broke, man? That break. You got 30 minutes, I
how we had it broke, right?
Yeah, the rest of the fuck.
Yeah.
Yeah. Could have looked at like a hose or something. And then come over it, you know what I'm saying? Come over it and then you listen to what's been up. With the hose and just put it on this and just lock it on. And could that work?
Gas on that?
Yeah, everything right, so hook up to your gas. Just hook up to your gas. Just hook up to your gas. And that piece of it you want to change. So you have to screw up this up to get it off. And then I'm both different right as well. Fucking Indian and dumb stuff. Fucking cut the fucking thing off. Fucking number.
In the engine? Number 10 there, huh? Ain't no number 10 there. What easy man right there to walk up to. Kaya buat easy nak ajar aku rasa. Jadi. Mas lu ya.
Ya bila nama ya?